First, check the phone. You can see the display is broken. Open the phone. Subscribe, like, comment. Open the pin removed from phone. Subscribe, like, comment. Remove cases. It is 20-pin display. Use pieced. Piston display pins. Iron. Remove the display. It's old broken display. All pins clear properly. It's new display. Set up the display properly with soldering iron. Okay. Set up again the phone. Set up screw. Set up back part. And start the mobile phone. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe to my channel.